with this signature campaign, hindi ba ito magkakaroon ng impact doon sa ICC if they will find out that the Filipino people are conducting this signature campaign? Meron bang way na yung campaign or yung signature ng mga Pilipino will be submitted directly to the ICC with the lawyers?
Like kami naman, signature campaign is gearing towards the
Supreme Court only.
If the ICC is going to take cognizance of it, we do not have any concern. Will it negatively affect the case in the ICC? Well, we do not believe that the ICC is going to rule or give any positive order, any favorable order to PRRD anyway. It is my personal opinion, ma'am, that when the ICC decided to reject the interim release of PRRD, wala pang formal charges, they rejected the interim release. I do not know what book of fairness they are using, but you cannot keep a person under detention if you haven't formally charged them. So, I mean, what is ICC? ICC is an organization taking money from anyone. Anyone is going to pay them, they are going to accept it. So, I am not worried by ICC. I'm just going to watch them fall apart in the international arena. I don't think more and more countries are withdrawing their support from their membership. So, ano po, no? That's why the Supreme Court decision is very important, because if the Supreme Court would say that the taking of PRRD is illegal and that the ICC took PRRD in violation of Philippine laws, ang Rome Statute po kasi nagre-require na kapag ka meron kang ipadadala sa kanila o aarestuhin sa kanila, it's within the Rome Statute, they would require that the country of origin, the law in the country of origin must be complied with. So, if the Supreme Court would say na, hindi kayo nag-comply sa rule namin dito sa Pilipinas, pero tinanggap niyan, so that would definitely steer international conversation on the credibility of the ICC. And I do not really give an ounce of concern on what ICC would think, to be honest. Because, for me, as an individual, and for all of you who are watching all of this to unfold, what book of justice will justify a person being detained without being formally charged? So the mere fact that they rejected the interim release of PRRD, that is already a signal that the ICC is not going to give PRRD any favorable decision, any favorable order at all. They are out to keep him until he dies in the ICC. So, wala po yung laban sa ICC. Ang laban po ng Pilipino dito ay nandito sa Pilipinas, at ang laban po ay paano gisingin ang consciousness ng kapwa Pilipino natin para ipaglaban ang ating soberanya. Filipinos can only fight for themselves. Tayo lang rin po maglalaban at mag-a-assert ng soberanya natin sa ibang bansa. And institution like ICC, definitely they're just going to do whoever paid them. So,